Windows Installer. Setup Guide. Tips. Follow each step carefully. Incorrectly entering the master or provider address may cause processes to fail. Step 1. Download the .exe file. To install the application, download the .exe file from our website. The download link is provided in the instructions. Step 2. Install the application. Open the downloaded .exe file and follow the installation wizard. Once installation is complete, you can proceed to wallet setup. Step 3. Wallet setup. Read and confirm the details about provider and master wallet. This setup will use the Import Existing method. You may also continue with Create New if you prefer. Set a wallet password for security. This password will be required every time you log in. The password must be at least 8 characters long. Step 4. Import wallet. Using private key. Choose the private key import method. Paste your copied private key into the provided box. Once import is successful, proceed to set up the master address. Step 5. Connect master address. Click I have read and understood the information, then copy your provider address. Go to the Management DApp website. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Follow the on-screen steps, approve each request, and complete the connection to access the Management DApp. Click the Add Provider button. Paste your copied provider address and start the provider announcement process. Important: the master address must have at least 10 OGPU and sufficient transaction fees. Otherwise, the process will fail. Step 6. Master announcement. Once the process is complete, copy the master address and return to the application. Paste the master address into the provided box and start the master announcement process. Make sure the wallet balance is above 10 OGPU before starting. Step 7. Activate the application. Press the inactive button first. After the process completes, toggle the app to active for full functionality. Step 8. Register sources. Click the Monitor tab first, then go to the Management DApp and use Active Source Register to register your sources. The system will automatically load the registered sources by listening to the blockchain. Step 9. Manage sources. To stop running sources, use the Unregister option in the Management DApp. After unregistering, the system will stop the corresponding sources on your system. Manually delete unused source files after unregistering. You are all set. The installation is complete, and your provider app is ready to run seamlessly on your Windows system. OpenGPU.network. Empowering AI. Together,